Hello, my name is Jung Hyun. I'm at a short trip from the South Jakarta to the West Jakarta. I take taxi and it costs around 90,000 rupiahs and it takes around 40 minutes. And you may see a shopping mall like a Giant Extra. It is located in the southern part of the Jakarta. After you pass the Giant Extra, you may see many other luxurious residential area. Trans Jakarta is a model like a transportation system. It looks like a subway, but is run by bus. The same system is in Bogota and Ahmedabad. There's a huge traffic congestion in Jakarta, but sometimes you may find some quiet roads. Pandok Indah Mall is a shopping mall like a view across the road. You may also find some modern residential area near the road. In the West Jakarta, you may find some railroad system near the road. Sripijaya is a shopping mall which has CGV, a Korean brand, a movie theater. A really huge residential area was built in West Jakarta. There are some commercial business district in their area too. Transmall is like a huge shopping mall which also has a CGV, a movie theater. And I have reached to my destinations, Ciputra Mall in the West Jakarta. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to press like and subscription. Thank you.